Usambut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau beri pej ketenat kampo yeng ke Sarkar Jelau ba Prestone Tynsong ulakan thok bat shim ba ke Jinglet Kyndang bat penpra ke Nyau Trap Youth Council yak yeng sa ki poiwer halom survey hi kedai ke Jingsngew ke ba khlam daya mir jingmut Kuman syukudok baka HYC hak arplai tere ujemang arjar psau hadien shibnai ke jing aipor kala lej ban Kyndang yikite ki yeng sa poiwer hak tega jaka ke bahap hak Shillong Cantonment Board hadien ke jing bom shim kia ki bor penyat district ban lei yakite ki poiwer Halor kini ke jinglet penprai ki yeng ki bor pulet kila register mukadma persya ki noilam ke HYC hagi kendon ke Indian Penal Code but Meghalaya Maintenance of Public Order MMPO Act. Haba kranchi kilat patai kubor hakanok pai singi jong arpenyo tere ujemang arjar psau uba Prestone Tynsong ulaong baka an ka don bat ka jinglet ki dikot ke HYC ka long persya ya ka an.
I've asked the Deputy Commissioner to again call a meeting, the joint meeting, because you knew it well that place falls under the defense cantonment area, and the appropriate authority also falls under the defense state officer. Okay, then what happened was that day it seems the members of the HYC they went even without consulting. Well, we understand the sentiments of our young people, no doubt about it. They have so much sentiment. In a way, they thought that demolition is such a simple issue. We just go through and then dismantle, that's it. But let me tell you one thing. The law is there. The regulation is always there. We are also not in favor of sheltering them. If they are all illegal settlers, the law will take its own course. So what happened was, in fact, at that point of time when these members of HYC went over there, a cross violation happened. Why I'm saying that? Because this particular issue, it is still lying with the High Court, Honorable High Court. And tomorrow, Honorable High Court happens to, to go to the second hearing of this particular issue for dismantling, eviction and dismantling of the illegal structures, whatever available over there. So therefore, I would request to all concerned, don't take the law into your own hands, because ultimately you will have a lot of complication. As I said to you, it does not mean that the government just sleeping over it. We wanted to do it, and we wanted to verify whether these people they belong from India or maybe they are not. That still we can't say much about it, because the certification and verification is still on. So I think let us see. As I said to you, because tomorrow the hearing will take place, and maybe after that you will see exactly what is the next steps to be taken by not only by the state government but also by the central government under the leadership of the defense estate officer.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam kta ika dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka kia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta ka sngi
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya